Where to find the best sites. Barbecue grills and smokers. Howdy. So you want to know more about how to wire a meat smoker? These are the best resources we could find on the web. The most helpful site to learn about how to wire a meat smoker is www.smoking-meat.com. Specifically the page titled My Take on the Electric Meat Smoker, Smoking Meat. This is the link. You can also try www.popularmechanics.com, especially the page Build Your Own Backyard Smoker, Popular Mechanics. This is the link. Last but not least, try our third-rank site www.smokingmeatforums.com. The web page Building a Smoker, How to Add a Thermostat. This is the link.